Hey, so you just accidentally saved your Instagram reels or posts to drafts and now you just want to save it to your gallery with or without audio. Let's see how you can do this in the real quick way. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile, and now you have to tap on this plus icon. Then select reel, and now at the top you will find this draft folder. Just open it up, and here you will find all of your draft reels, posts. So you just have to hit on this edit icon, and here the editing page will pop up. So now to save it perfectly, you have to back once by hitting this icon. Now you have to scroll to the left, and here you will find this save icon. Just hit this save button, and here you can see your video is saved. So now the important part, if you're trying to saving with or without audio, if Instagram shows this will saved without audio, that means the music was added from Instagram's music library. So in that case, Instagram doesn't allow saving licensed music to your gallery. So now if you want to save a reel with audio, make sure the original sound is already part of the video. And when the audio is built into the video, it will save with sound perfectly. Now check from your camera roll or gallery, and you will find all of your saved reel or post right from here. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.